Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to disable Google Assistant on the Samsung Galaxy A72. So first, just open Settings, scroll down from the top and press the Settings button in the corner. In Settings, scroll down and find the Google menu. Click on All Services, and here look for the Search Assistant Voice option. Press on Google Assistant and look for General in here. Here it is. Toggle Google Assistant off, and let's see. It is in fact turned off. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.